Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Wallet on your phone and sign in with your Google account. Tap Add to add a credit or debit card and follow the camera steps. Enter security details when prompted and verify the card via SMS or email. Enable NFC and contactless payments in settings so your phone can tap to pay. Set one card as the default payment method for faster in-store purchases. Lock your phone with a screen lock to keep mobile payments secure at all times. When you reach the terminal, wake and unlock your phone with your chosen screen lock. Hold the top or back of the phone within 3 inches of the contactless reader. Keep the phone steady until you feel a vibration or see a green check. If prompted, select the default card or choose another card from Google Wallet quickly. For amounts over limits, the terminal may ask for a PIN or signature to complete the sale. Always check the receipt and transaction details inside Wallet for accurate charges after payment. Enable Find My Device and keep your Google account recovery options up to date. If your phone is lost, suspend or remove cards from Google Wallet immediately online. Turn on biometric unlocking for faster payment while maintaining higher security than PIN alone. Use transit passes and loyalty cards stored in Wallet to tap quickly for buses or trains. Offline payments work for short periods. Wallet queues transactions when network connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.